reservation. How may I help you today?
Hi, I would like to reserve a room.
Sure, may I have your name, please?
I am Shara Oliva.
Okay, ma'am. That's Sierra Hotel Alpha NDR Romeo Alpha. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
May I know the date arrival, ma'am?
I will arrive at July 19 up to July 20, 2024.
So that would be 2 days and 1 night stay.
I want to know more about the available rooms, please.
Yes, ma'am. We have 2 available rooms. The first one is sweat room. It has an 82 square meter room with balconies and side view. It has a 4-inch TV and with a wireless connection and with hot and cold shower and a king size of bed. And it has it's good for 2 person. That would be 11,500 pesos, ma'am. And the other one is standard room. It has a luxury king. It has 46 square meter private balconies with TV and a wireless connection and hot, cold, and shower. That would be 11,600. Which do you prefer, ma'am?
I prefer the first one and the suite room.
Okay, ma'am. May I have your address, please?
Camille Compostela City.
How about your contact number, ma'am, and Gmail address?
09282240268 and my Gmail account is sharaoliva@gmail.com.
Okay, ma'am. What mode of payment do you prefer, ma'am? Cash or credit?
I would like to pay it by card.
Okay, ma'am. May I have your credit number and also the expiration date?
It is 1111 and December 2025 and the card holder is Shara Oliva.
Okay, ma'am. We have confirmed your reservation and the credit card line. So, your reservation is on July 20 to 22. It has a suite room. It has 82 square meter with balconies and side view with hot and cold shower and a king size bed, good for 2 person. And that would be 11,500.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. So, we wish to guarantee your booking reservation, ma'am, under your name, Shira Oliva, for sweat room. Okay, ma'am, we also remind that our check-in time is 12 p.m. and our check-out time is 2 p.m. And we already sent a letter of information number into your Gmail account.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am, thank you and have a nice day. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Stallion Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi, good afternoon. I would like to check in.
Do you have any reservation, ma'am?
Yes, I have.
May I have your complete name, please? Okay, ma'am. May I have your identification card, please?
Here.
So we have confirmed your reservation, ma'am, and your credit line. So it's sweat room. It has an 82 square meter with balconies and side view. It has a 4-inch TV with cable and Wi-Fi connection with hot and cold shower and a king size of bed, good for 2 person. That would be 11,500. And kindly sign this reservation form and double check if the information is correct. Good afternoon, ma'am. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I would like to advise an early checkout.
May I have your identification card, please? Shara, this is our departure list. Can we sign your signature beside your name, please? For a moment, I will be calling the housekeeping department to check your room. Hello, this is front office. Kindly check room 103 for early checkout, please. Thank you. Okay, ma'am, how was your stay here in our hotel?
Wait, I enjoyed staying here and I've enjoyed the facilities.
Thank you, ma'am, and hope you enjoy staying in our hotel. Have a nice day.
Thank you.